how it works. You get one guy digging, one guy loading. Beep, 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 beep. Doesn't matter whether you're shipping a wheelbarrow, a Super 10, a dirt, the logic's still the same. One thing I want to show you is explain how to calculate the dirt that comes out of a swimming pool. And I'll show you how to do that here in a little bit. What's up, Jake Vasquez. Just wanted to show real quick how to calculate the math on a swimming pool this big. This one's 20 foot by 29 foot, and it's 8 foot deep. I'm going to show you how to do the math with the Construction Master 5. Super easy, super basic. All you do is turn on your calculator. You go 20 feet by 29 feet by 72 inches. Hit equal, get 128.889 yards. So now I'll show you how to do it if you didn't have a Construction Master 5. Basic math. 20 times 29 times 6 equals 3,480 square feet. Now, since it's square feet, you divide that by 27 to convert it into yards, and you get that same number, 28.89 cubic yards. Now, one thing you have to remember when you're converting, when you dig a pool, is you got to add 5% for fluff, because when you dig and you excavate compounded dirt, there's a difference between compounded dirt and expanded dirt. So the dirt expands, so you need to add 5%. So how do you get 6 foot on the depth? I showed you how to figure out the length times width to 6 foot on the depth. One thing when you do the excavation, you got 8 foot on the deep end, but you always have to add an extra foot when you do the excavation for the steel and the shotcrete that's going up in here in the shell. So if you have an 8 foot deep pool, you have to dig it or do the excavation at 9 feet. Shallow end is 3 foot. So here you got your 3 foot shallow end. And then you have your water line. Your excavation's at 9 foot. There's your shallow end. So all you do is take your 9 minus 3 and you get 6. And that's how you come up with this number. So when you plug it in, you just plug in 20 by 29 feet by 6 foot, and you get 128 cubic yards. Basic math. Subscribe and like us on Facebook and social media platforms. It's like we got a hole here. It's like we got a hole here. Let's follow this guy. Woo! Tight corner, tight squeeze. Come on. Extreme entertainment. Bobby, I see you, my nigga. West Bay, Katrina couldn't stop us. You know what I'm talking about? That's how we doing it, baby.
2006 man.